Get ready to be amazed. BC this ultimate find year you is officially taking over the internet. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it feels incredibly high quality. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it makes your daily routine effortless. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly pay for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before the price goes back up. Get ready to be amazed. BC this ultimate find year you is officially taking over the internet. This viral item is literally everywhere right now.